Welcome to Tallinn, Estonia. Hello and welcome from Tallinn. Hello and welcome from Tallinn, Estonia.
Yo.
Hi.
Welcome to the beautiful and gorgeous, absolutely breathtaking city. She's laughing at.
He's so cheesy.
I'm telling you.
He's so cheesy.
However you pronounce this place, it's Tallinn, Tallinn,
Yeah.
whatever the fuck. But it's nice as a motherfucker, ain't it? The buildings are beautiful. I'm beautiful. She's beautiful. They're beautiful. We're all beautiful.
He thinks he's Mr. Rogers right now, telling him everyone's a happy neighbor. We're all happy neighbors and we're walking through the streets of Tallinn.
Anyways, so
Welcome.
Today, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna walk to the gym. So that's what we do. We're gonna walk to the gym, and then tonight we're gonna do an Afrobeat party. Should be pretty smooth. It's a Friday night, middle of June, out here in Estonia.
Midsummer.
Midsummer. So we're gonna see who's out and what's there to do. Well, we're in day number 2 of Estonia in Tallinn. What I love about it is we went out last night. There was an Afrobeat party, first of a kind here in Estonia, and it was absolutely sick.
It was really cool. It was really nice.
And
People had moves. People had dance
you see
moves.
white people with moves and
They were
shit, like
crazy.
white Europeans, Estonians with Afrobeat moves. Like,
I was like, what the hell? Yeah.
And everyone was absolutely loving it. So shout out to you guys. You guys absolutely crushed it. So tonight we're gonna do a reggaeton version of the same thing. So this time it's gonna be some Daddy Yankee. You know what I mean? We're gonna have some Osuna, some really good reggaeton stuff. Today is gonna be dedicated towards exploring.
Yeah.
So we're gonna explore a little bit more after we hit the what, baby?
The gym.
Motherfucking gym, bitch.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna hit the gym and then we're gonna go explore the town and see what's good in Tallinn.
So fucking funny. I thought she said shrimp. Oh wow, yes, baby. Good job.
That's all snow.
Ukrainian what?
Top things to do out here in Estonia, especially in Tallinn.
Is Old Town.
Visit Viru Street, V-I-R-U. This is where all the action is, right here. And Estonia has that, it's that medieval feel to it, right, baby?
It's like proggy.
It's
A little proggy.
if I'm gonna compare, I guess.
It feels German, like very German as well. So, ish. What do you think?
No, I think Estonia is its own thing. I think it's its own thing. I think it's definitely like medieval for sure. But I think it has a separate charm from Prague, from Germany.
Oh, I feel that, yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It's like a very small little place. Colorful buildings.
Yeah.
Fun people. I think if you were to mix like Scandinavia and I guess I'm hesitant to say maybe like a little bit of Russia and then maybe like Central Eastern Europe, like the Hungary, Prague area. Like if you mix all those people together, that's what Estonia is like.
Oh, okay, wow, rude.
You know, as far as like attractions and stuff like that, they're here, but they're pretty limited. Like I think it's just a beautiful place to be. We haven't found too much to like do, but there's a lot of good vibes, a lot of good parties, a lot of good people, and a lot of good stuff to see and walk around and I guess do. We do notice a lot of tourists here, so that's a good thing. Okay, I think I figured it out. I figured out exactly what Estonia reminds me of. You ever seen Shrek and Dulac? Where, doesn't it?
That's so funny.
Bro,
It actually does.
I feel like I'm in fucking Shrek.
We're
and
looking
Dulac.
for Farquad. Farwad?
Dulac is a perfect world.
Oh shit.
That's so cool.
Thank you.
You're cool.
See what I mean?
You're so cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. What the heck? That was sick.
But it is a sacrifice I'm willing to make.
I am the chosen one. Oh my gosh, this is great.
Yeah, I feel like I'm in Shrek right now.
Shit, yeah.
Dulac is a perfect. Now that's just gonna be in my head all day.
I think we can go in that tower up there, baby.
Let's go check it out.
But all of these buildings look so old. Oh,
It's
look.
medieval, baby.
Wow, look.
Estonia is very medieval.
They make
Look.
what is it? Ice cream?
This is very Shakespearean.
I want to kind of go into one of these shops too.
All of a
baby.
sudden, it's pretty cool, huh?
I love it. Look at this. Old Hans. Hans? Oh, Hansel and Gretel.
Executor.
Is it Hansel and Gretel?
Take it.
I don't know. Maybe that's your homie. That's Hansel. He looks very impressed. Oh. What's up, buddy?
It's my friend. My friend.
His name's Hansa. And you're handsome. Hey.
Appears that we just entered one of the main squares here. What is this place called, baby?
This is Old Town.
Yeah, but what?
Old
what
Town
square?
It could be. I love it. You'll find it.
Tourism is booming, baby. I never would have thought Estonia, man. Estonia is where it's at.
Estonia's the
Yo,
shit.
come to fucking Estonia,
You
dog.
should.
Estonia is honestly,
Literally the shit.
it's awesome. I love it. It's the happy, 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 happy song. It's the happy, 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 happy song. You want Baskin Robbins, baby?
You just told me no.
No.
Yes, we worked really
I told you
hard.
no because it was your idea. But
Oh
it's
yeah,
my
now
idea.
it's your idea. Okay, and it's okay now.
Then it's okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Hey, Stephen.
Eat it though. Oh shit.
Yeah. And the funny thing is like,
Oh shit. He ate it. He ate it too. Bruh. So Stephen the Seagull, which is a local attraction here, he came down and he went caca, and he took his cone.
Bro, took my fucking
I have never seen that in my life, but the seagull literally came down and took his ice cream from him. That was sick. He's like caca.
Goddamn dodo bird and came and swooped up on my head, bit my finger off, basically, and then took my ice cream. I was like, Brett.
He was saving you because he was like, you're on a diet. So
He's like, you're fat, nigga.
he didn't take mine. He went to yours.
You thank me later.
He was like,
And then he had the audacity to come back for seconds.
He did. And then you held out your ice cream. He was like, all right, I'll fucking take that ice cream. He pulled it from him.
Oh, it was like a staring game. I was
Oh my
like,
God.
you gonna take it? And he stood there.
He
He's
said,
like,
yeah.
I am.
I'm gonna take that shit.
I was like, you really gonna take it? He said, yeah, I am.
He literally swooped down and was
And
like,
then I was like
"Ah."
playing with him. I put my ice cream cone right in front of his face, and he walked up to it. I was like, oh, this boy ain't playing. And then I was like, come here, Steven. Come here, Steven.
His name's Steven, by the way.
And he was like,
He did.
I was like, shit.
That was so insane.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy more ice cream and we're gonna fuck with more seagulls. Fun fact Friday. It's Saturday, but whatever. So we got some fun facts for you guys. Hit them off with a little fun fact, baby.
Well, Estonia has the third tallest people in the world.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Third tallest people in the world. I assume Latvia is up there in
or Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
No, has to be Sudan. I don't know, one of them.
I don't know.
Anyways, another fun fact is that not a lot of people might assume this, but Estonia is actually closer in culture to Finland than it is Russia. You would think because of the Soviet era and its proximity with Russia and like everything that it would be similar to that, but it's actually closer to Finland. So it actually feels very Finnish, and even though it's a Baltic state, it's closer to the Scandinavian culture. So I thought that was a fun fact.
We'll go into that.
Baby!